going to turn now to that brutal weekend weather that's moving from west to east and could make road, rail, and air travel a mess for millions on the move for Thanksgiving. ABC's meteorologist Ginger Z is tracking it all. You've been warning us about this for the past few days, Ginger.
Yeah, and this is a slow-moving storm that this morning has places like Oklahoma City on alert because in the next 24 hours, 9 states are in some sort of winter weather advisory or warning. Dallas, a winter storm warning that has some ice in it. I'll have much more on that coming up. But this is a storm that has already killed at least 8.
Snow-whipped and frozen, that slow-moving storm is beating the winter into the southwest. In Amarillo, Texas, a snow-covered nightmare on the roads. Shivering in El Paso, almost 30 degrees below average. And in Midland, it's this type of day when you open and promptly shut the door on the cold. In New Mexico, some areas picking up more than 1.5 feet of fresh snow. Wind ripping at power lines, and not everybody loving it.
I don't know what this stuff is. Look. It's all white. What is this stuff?
Gloves, a coat, and a scarf, and a hat.
In Arizona, many welcoming the snow in Flagstaff. But farther south, more than 2 inches of rain collapsing this roof near Phoenix.
First, I tried to put buckets under there and, collect the water up, and went to empty. As I started emptying buckets, I'm like, no, this isn't gonna work.
And it doesn't look much different for the Midwest and Northeast.
I've been back in Ohio for a day and this is happening.
So many waking up to a separate blast of deep chill and snow. In southwest Michigan, the road's a disaster. In Illinois, more than 100 cars in this pileup.
So let me time this storm out for you. Today, it is just south of New Mexico. As it moves east, I think tonight through early tomorrow going to be a big mess for Dallas. Tomorrow morning's commute, 1/4 inch of ice possible. That is not going to be good. Here's the great news. As it goes through the Gulf, places like Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia all stays rain. So we're timing it out here. It goes through Tuesday at 4 p.m. People really start getting on the move for the holiday. All rain in the Carolinas. The snow stays all north and west, parts of Ohio, western Pennsylvania, and western New York. But look at this. It's Tuesday into Wednesday morning. Rain, 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 rain from New York to Boston. That heavy rain, the wind, even though it's not necessarily going to see a whole lot of snow, that could affect your holiday travel. And I'll show you how much rain and how much snow falls inland in just a bit in your nation's weather. Dana Biana?
Yeah, and I don't know if you caught that, but the technical meteorological term is rain, 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 rain.
Rain, 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 rain.
I got that from Ginger directly.
Yeah, not great news for Thanksgiving, though.
No.